Gutenberg 17.4. Let's review Gutenberg 17.4. But this is Birgit. Love Birgit. If you don't know Birgit, you should know Birgit. Okay, so the data views, list of templates stable. Okay, so what is this? The data views work reaches a new milestone, stabilizing this new experience for the template screen, making it available outside the experiments flag without the additional views option. Please consider using this as a new experiment and provide feedback. So where was that in the template screen? Not that. So if I go back, go here, templates, down here to manage all templates. Oh my God, here we go. That's so cool. So this is very cool. So I think, and I believe it said you don't have to have the experiment turned on. Is that what that said? I would say it's the experimental flag and without the additional views option. Okay, let's look. That'd be very cool if that's the case. I'm just gonna go in my Gutenberg and move this microphone. It's in my face. Experiments. Yes, leave. Turn that off. Save. And then let's see. I didn't make any changes to that. Oh, that's cool. Cool. So I think now if we go back to pages, I don't think that will exist anymore. If we go to pages, down to manage all pages. Yeah, so it takes us back to the regular pages thing. That is really cool. Super exciting for that. They're excited for that. Styles revisions, stylebook integration, and pagination. Work continued involving this usefulness of style revisions with added pagination for better navigation and integration with the style book. When reviewing revisions with the style book, you can better understand the impact of the changes for both within the template you're looking at and across individual blocks. Okay. So how do we do that? We go to the editor. We'll go, let's just go say whatever. No, not there. We'll go to my templates. I picked it, whatever. We'll go to the index template. And if I could do this and I go like that, turn style book on. Okay, I'm going to make a change to the heading block. I'm going to make the text, that color, the background, that color. I'm going to save this. And then I go here. Oh, that's wicked. This is amazing. This is amazing. I love this because this is now like you don't have to remember. Oh, what do they do to the heading block? I don't remember. Oh, and you can just jump through it. This is friggin' awesome. It's chef's kiss. I'm looking at the chat when I'm. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. Love that. Love it. Background images. Size and repeat controls. Okay, this release also allows adds controls to the background image to adjust size and toggle repetition for the group block. This allows you to set the background image to cover, default, or contain to keep the aspect ratio and set it to repeat only. Very cool. This is very cool. The group block is getting some love here. I love that. I love that it's getting love. I'm gonna keep saying the word love. I guess I have to add new posts for this, don't I? This is Gutenberg 17.4. I'm going to put a group block in there. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go like that. Background image. And you know what image I'm going to pick. Where is he? Where's that beautiful man? And then what am I going to do here now? Okay. I guess I got to put content in there. No, I don't want to put an image inside an image. That's silly. I'm going to get some sorry, I forgot what I was doing for a second. What, that's not image. Get that out of here. Delete. Inside the group block, I'm going to put a paragraph and then paste that paragraph. Look at that, Kevin. I'm going to do these into keep peeking. There he is. I see you, Kevin. I see you looking at me, Kevin. So where are these settings that they're talking about? How do I get there? So background image size cover fixed. This is the. I'm not seeing that. Am I missed it? Background image. Because I have to. Oh, that's nice. 2. That's amazing. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? MySpace. That's like my MySpace page. So nice, so nice. All right, we gotta put a bit of padding in here though. You know, we gotta see some padding. We gotta do that. This is horrible. Paragraph, text color, can't be that. Can't be that. Can't be that. Nothing. I'm not gonna be able to read any of these. Maybe we'll go with white. I guess we'll go background. Oh, this is high art. This is design at its finest. We're gonna just publish that, Kevin. Okay, back to where we were. Okay, list view. Right click access to block settings. Okay, click next week on awards. What's awards? What's that? Is that a thing? I don't know. Am I not picking up sarcasm again? It should say I heart Kevin. That's all it needs to say. The awards? Is it like literally with 3? Oh, the triple W, like World Wide Web? Is that what that is? Tell you what, if someone makes me a shirt that says I heart Kevin, I'll make them a shirt that says what the deuce, and we can exchange it, and it'll be the pinnacle of the internet right there. Just saying, that's what'll happen. Okay, so what am I doing here? List view, right click on block settings. So if I come in here and I right click on block settings. What the hell does that mean? So I right click on the list view. Yes, I will wear it at WordCamp Asia. I will wear it during, I'm giving a workshop, WordCamp Asia. I will wear it the entire time. It has to fit me though. It has to fit me. That's the caveat. If it's like a plunging neckline, super tight, extra small, I will not be wearing it. No one needs to see that. Okay. Fast access to and streamlines editing. Okay, that's cool. So not all of us have Kevin's body. Anyway, all right, enough of this crap. The site editor received an additional sidebar panel already available to post editor screens. Unification. What? The site editor received an additional sidebar panel. Let's see what that looks like. No. I always press the wrong button. Go templates. We're gonna just edit this. We're going here, and here. What are we talking about here? I don't understand what that means. Oh, that's nice. The changelog is condensed now. That's a nice little feature here. Tab panel with tabs in the inspector control. Oh, that's cool. So it's a new component there. Custom select, WordPress props. Oh, this is adding this. This is adding it all. Is this when we're editing something through the site editor? Like, is this when I go into pages? Like, I go in here and I go into whatever. Yes, this one. I go in here. Where am I? I'm in the site editor. Oh, I think that's what that was. I think it's adding these things into the site because I'm in the site editor right now. I don't know if you can read that, but it says site editor. So if I switch this to edit the page, how do I do that? There's a way to do this, is there not? Edit your template to edit this block. So I'm on the page right now. I get it. Okay, cool. It's just like getting things together. Yeah, that's literally what that said. I didn't understand it until just now. Design tools, background image, add background size and repeat features. Yeah, we saw that. Make sure theme color palette presets your output when appearance is okay. Global styles, revisions, add pagination, integrate style book. Love this. That is absolutely amazing. Yeah, bug fixes, drop down menu. Okay, it's nothing here super crazy. Add zoom tool, disabled using gallery. Patterns fix, site editor. Fix it with a bug. Slot fill, allow contextual slot fill providers. What? What does that mean? We've had a slot with allow brocketed providers to provide a bundle of provider, and if a parent provider was already on the tree, would just pass less. What does that mean? It's a pass-through prop. Okay, I don't think this affects anything that we really need to be worried about. This looks like it's only going to affect people that are like building out their own slot fill systems. Yeah. Are you familiar with that one, Aki? Let me look at that then. Let's look at the screenshot. 6 point customization for custom level with this. Look at this. Bring this by. Weird, okay. Slot in an array like that isn't okay. This is interesting. I'm going to dive into this a bit more so I understand this better, because slot fill is kind of my thing. So I will read through that. Cool. Nice. Okay, a couple of fixes for namespaces and activity stuff. Accessibility, performance, block editor, bonus experiments. Data views, lots of stuff for the data views. Holy smokes, there's a lot of data views stuff. This is great. List view documentation, doing new docs. Blah. This is awesome. So excited for how much better the documentation is going to get in the next little while. It's going to be really great. When I joined this team like 2 years ago, this was like one thing that everyone knows that like the official docs are not. It's not that they're not great. It's that they can be better, and they are better now. They're getting a lot better. So I'm excited. Global styles, list view, topography, site editor, navigation plugin. To remove the docs, WordPress docs rule set. Testing. First time contributors, let's see. And these are the other ones. Is that you? Aki, is this you? It is. There he is. There he is. You better be careful, Kevin. Aki's might replace you. I might have a T-shirt that says "I heart Aki." Cool. Awesome. Well, that is 17.4 in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. If If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content on WordPress development. You can also join me live every Thursday at 10:30 Eastern on Twitch. Check the description for the link.